Welcome to my YouTube channel. Oh my god. Merry Christmas, guys. Ma? Oh, I'm coming. Hi guys, Merry Christmas. So anyway guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to the channel, you know what to do, right? Subscribe to my channel. So this is my first Christmas outside my home, and I miss home, but there's a life outside home. So I'm stepping out with my auntie, my uncle's wife, to have a little fun. So guys, come with us to sunrise, whatever. I can't remember the full name, but let's just go. You will get to see it. Imagine getting drowned in a children's pool all because you cannot swim to save your life. Well, that is not my story for today. This is about celebration and Christmas. What is a Christmas celebration in African homes without the regular running up and down? Lots of cooking, screaming of names, and carrying out errands, and also the little family gossips that flows with the cookings. Well, not all of that happened this year because we prepared and cooked our Christmas stew on the eve so that we can be less stressed on 25th and also have enough time for fun activities. Christmas comes with a lot of happy feelings and excitement, and the smell of fresh made meals blocking our nose, ready to be eaten and devoured. Then we are either staying at home to rest and watch movies, or you are stepping out to have fun with your family and friends, and that is what we chose to do this year, going out to have fun. We got to Sunrise Water Park, and the excitement was all over my body. I couldn't even hide this for one thing. So let's see what Sunrise Water Park has for us. There will be a lot of screaming and shouting in this video, but trust me, no one was hurt while making this video. The whole screaming and shouting was part of the whole fun, so enjoy it. We are finally here, and this place is so beautiful and very big. So, of course, there's a guest fee everywhere. And mind you, if you lose your hand ticket, you are paying extra before you can leave this place. So guide it. And then they searched our bag before we got in. They didn't see anything. I don't know what they were looking for, but they searched and found nothing. So they allowed us in. Okay, it's just power bank and cream perfume. They're inside there. And some cash. Thank you. Oh, my jewelry just. Yeah, it's actually very fine. And his wife. Is that Bum Bum? So guys, we are so cute. We are so cute. This mic is not so loud. So excited being here. While coming here, I already had my fears because it has to do with water. This is coming from somebody who cannot swim, so he cannot judge me. I had even though I know that there was going to be so much fun, but the fears are valid. Yeah, these are some of the things I'm taking off my bucket list that I was going to do, and I'm doing them. Coming with my auntie gave me the reassurance that I'm not going to get drowned or get hurt in the process of coming to have fun. So I relaxed my mind. Even some of the videos, you could hear assuring me that don't worry, we're going to do it together, we'll enter some of them together, nothing will happen, you're going to have fun.
When I will enter together.
Alright.
Yes, you enter that one together first. You can give your phone to them to hold, so you can hold your phone. You can put your phone in your inside here. Can you stay?
But to get where still?
Eh?
To stay coming from here?
Staircase.
Yeah. So I said we should climb.
Okay, yes.
I don't know, but everything here just looks amazing.
Not anything yet.
So it's just, yeah, everything here looks so amazing.
We went like this. You come like this. You can't see it, but this one is just a small ride.
Yeah. Sorry.
Let's ask this like that. Where was supposed to follow? Go up first.
Alright. The one I'm so scared of water, but this one I'm so excited. The views from up is so amazing. It's giving this mini staycation or vacation with your loved ones or a partner, even with your family. I don't know how to swim, but I'm entering water. All dressed, I'm entering water. So let's go have some fun. We're going up for our first ride or slide, whichever one it is, and I was getting more anxious and having cold feet. Coupled with the fact that this ride is actually looking scary and screams from other people sliding down those rides, and oh god. Well, I have to do what I came to do.
This one.
Is it like
We're entering together.
we're entering this?
Yes, good.
Oh god, I'm so terrified. This is the first one. My nose is blocked. Water, my ear. But this is actually very fun, but fuck. Okay, so this is our second ride. Oh.
Videos are coming down. Do you understand?
Flutter. God, I'm so scared. Oh, okay, I'm entering this one together. If I survive this one, onto the next.
Are you watching?
Eh?
Coming down.
Okay, I'm watching. Oh! Yeah. Your hand.
She will sit down.
Wait, hold this one. Oh, this feels so good. I'm not going to
cannot swim.
I swear. So even if you laugh, you can taste what I'm very new one day.
Amara. Transport. Just sport. Now go up and go down. Don't go down fully. Just keep your floating up and down. Now do like this like a bird. In the water you
I'm learning how to swim.
Just in the water. Keep float like that. See, if you're pushing down, what I bring you up. Push it down, what I'll bring you up.
Yeah.
Then slowly start doing it.
It's not that easy. There's many things I need to conquer. That is swimming number one. Yeah, sorry. Because I don't know how to swim, so I couldn't swim, but the water was actually very fun.
Let's ask him.
Okay.
Hi. What are they around now?
5 minutes more. This is our last ride.
That means this green one is not operational too. The green long one.
These two are operational.
This yellow and green. Yeah. Just try yellow one.
We are coming down to here.
Yeah,
it's
but
not
higher than
okay.
this
I think yeah, it's the same thing here.
It's higher.
It's higher.
Let's go.
Now you go do that.
I don't understand. You know when I talk to
No be this one, no be this one. Our area be down. No, this one na Bible and Holy Ghost.
Something scary, right? Oh my god, this is so scary. Yes, it was very fast. The water was fast. So this is my last one. I'm not doing another one. If I survive this, Hey, I said you. This was fun. How much we survived? How do you feel, Auntie Angel?
I feel elated.
Oh God, I'm having fun.
Are you scared?
The scariest ride here gives the best fun. I'm telling you for free. Like, I know I went up to redo some of them after the whole fear of getting drowned, but the particular one flung us out of the floater. I don't know what happened, but there was this force that came and we just flipped down into the water. Manti was fast enough to grab me up. I didn't drown. I could actually stand inside that water, so I was not so scared after I got up from drowning. But the same, it was just fun, all fun, all fun.
Jesus! I'm talking about water. Thank you.
Okay, so let me just. Just imagine coming here and I say there's video.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you too. Thank you. Oh, caution, slippery. We were finally done with the whole water splashes and water slides, and trust my aunt, she made sure we tried everything inside there and heading to our next fun activity. Well, with a gate fee of 45,000, you have access to every activities or event going on inside, aside from the meals and the drinks.
You must enjoy yourself today. I don't know what you're talking about.
I am, but
Don't be afraid. See,
I wish there was something.
as long as
I wish there was something that is not water.
this is adrenaline. Sometimes you need it in your life.
One activity I loved and enjoyed and would definitely want to try it again is this water floating. Using this floater to just float on the water waves. Oh God, I was having fun. I want to try it again. Okay. Oh my God, this is fun. I'm having fun. This was another calm and very chilled activity you should try on here. This lazy river ride. This actually calmed my nerves after the whole fearful activities. Aside from the waterfall that actually splashes from your head to your whole body, nothing else is scary here. Just takes you around the whole pool and coming back. That's so well in my head.
Give me.
After everything, we're heading back to change into our outfits, and I noticed that the places exposed to sun was darker than the rest of our bodies. So please, if you're coming here, use your sunscreen on your face and your body because you will get dark. And I saw this very pretty cute Christmas costumes, and I was trying to make a video, but water was messing with my phone camera. I finally done with sunrise.
Yeah, we're done.
We had fun, right?
Yep, a lot of fun.
Bye.
Bye.
So bye guys, see you next in our next video. Bye.